Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. The wait is almost over for DJI's highly anticipated next-generation Cinewhoop FPV drone, the Avata 2. Leaks are surfacing more frequently, hinting at a significant leap forward for this exciting platform. Remember the original DJI Avata? It took the drone world by storm with its compact design, exceptional image quality, and user-friendly features. Now, whispers suggest the Avata 2 is ready to take center stage, and leaked images of its packaging provide a tantalizing glimpse. A redesigned masterpiece. Quadra News, a reliable source for drone intel, recently shared photos on their social media platform, showcasing the Avata 2's actual packaging. This intel offers a sneak peek at the redesigned Avata 2. Compared to its predecessor, the new drone boasts a flatter profile, making it even more compact. This flatter design should translate to increased stability in the air, giving pilots more confidence during flight. The camera module also appears to have undergone a makeover, sporting a more forward-facing design. However, it seems to lack a dedicated gimbal, relying solely on electronic image stabilization (EIS) for smooth footage. While the lack of a gimbal might raise eyebrows for some, the compact size allows for navigating tight spaces with ease, opening doors to capturing breathtaking shots in previously inaccessible locations. Here's hoping the turtle mode, a lifesaver in case of unexpected crashes, makes a return in the Avata 2. The packaging also reveals some of the goodies included with the drone, such as charging cables and spare propellers. Additionally, the leaked image hints at a redesigned motion controller with a more compact form factor. All signs point towards an imminent launch for the Avata 2. Release date and speculation. A roadmap shared by Deedle's Drone suggests the Avata 2 will be available for purchase by April. Interestingly, DJI recently secured FCC approval in the US database for the Avata 2, alongside the Goggles 3, DJI FPV Remote Controller 3, and RC Motion 3 joystick controllers. Typically, FCC listings appear shortly before a product's official release. Rumors swirl about a potential DJI event scheduled for April 11th, which could very well be the official launch event for the much-anticipated Cinewhoop drone. While camera specs remain shrouded in secrecy, many speculate it will retain the same 48-megapixel camera, with a 1/1 7-inch sensor that delivered decent image quality in the original Avata. Battery life might be a point of concern, as the shrunken body might limit flight time. However, some remain cautiously optimistic that DJI might pull off a surprise and offer a longer flight time compared to the original Avata's 18 minutes. Just a few short weeks remain before we witness the Avata 2 take flight. What upgrades are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up to stay updated on the latest tech news. And don't forget to subscribe to Technology in the Future for all things tech.